Ice cream is so delicious and comes in a variety of flavours. But what's even better is July is National Ice Cream Month. That means there's a whole month dedicated to ice cream. In 1984, Senator Walter D. Huddleston of Kentucky introduced a resolution to proclaim July in 1984 Ice Cream Month. Companies started publicising the day, encouraging people to go out and enjoy ice cream as much as possible in July. Since then, the tradition luckily carried on. Although no one knows the true origin of ice cream, there are recorded events of flavoured crushed ice in China around 3000 BC, and references to what we know today as sherbet in Greece around 2000 BC, with snow mixed with honey and fruit. The first proper ice cream was thought to be invented by Catherine de' Medici in the 16th century. Charles I was so impressed 100 years after the introduction that he paid to keep the recipe a secret, making ice cream a royal dessert. The first recorded recipes didn't exist until the 18th century. Now we can all enjoy it all year round and celebrate it even more in July. You could celebrate by having an ice cream party. Everyone could bring a different flavour and a different topping. You could challenge yourself to try as many flavours as you can during the month of July. Did you know some places do unique flavours, such as fish and chips? Some places even make their ice cream look like another food, such as spaghetti. You could try and invent your own flavour by adding different flavoured toppings to plain ice cream. Or why not have a go at making your own ice cream? How will you be celebrating National Ice Cream Month?